All right, so we're going to go through this weekly giveaway and give it a bit of a review to see how we can improve this. So first up, winner free 24-inch monogram. I would lead with weekly winners. So win this week's free monogram. The other thing is, I'm not 100% sure what a monogram is. So you might want to add a video of what a monogram is, how it's made, because it looks like it would be a pretty cool production process. So add a video here of how the product's made, how it's used. Always show the value of the product when you can. Also lead with the weekly. This is really good as well. Higher points give you a higher chance. So I would say collect points to increase your chances of winning. This Wednesday, this winner's chosen on Wednesday, collect points to increase your chance of winning this week's draw. Winners chosen on Wednesday at 2 p.m. EST. So that way it's very clear that they need to collect the points. It'll increase their chance of winning and that it's getting drawn on Wednesday. And you can shorten that messaging up here as well. Make sure that you're pointing out that it's a weekly giveaway. Having a weekly giveaway is a huge draw to people because they feel like they have a much higher chance of winning. The other thing is, add that video showing what the product is, showing what it looks like, showing the quality of the material, quality of the product, also how it's made. That would be really interesting. Welcome to the Metal Art Global Rewards sign up page. Okay. 100% free every single week. All right, that's perfect. Includes the shipping costs. Great. Begin receiving instant rewards by simply inserting your name and email. You might not even have to say this. Just say enter below or above or something. Earn instant bonus points for taking social actions. You can also put this section here where any terms and conditions, chuck those in the terms and conditions section. So when you go to sign up, you have your terms and conditions. Put all that sort of stuff under here. You don't necessarily have to have it on this homepage. All right, steps to win. This is great. You're showing how people can win. This is also good. You've got a picture of what the program is. What the product is. The other thing is this is looking like it's Pinterest focused. So definitely use that for sharing on Pinterest and pins. Leverage that channel. I think that would be really good for this product. And people on that channel do love weekly or monthly giveaways. It tends to have a great crowd for that. The other thing is maybe change up this background here. If you find that it's females that usually purchase your product, use females in your photos. If you find that it's male and female, use them both in the photo. Or if you find it's just males, just use them. But I would probably try and find a better background image that shows off the product a little bit better. Either having the image on the left or the right, or aligning or cropping this image to the left or the right so that you can see it better, or even just having a different image altogether that stands out. You can see that you can see this writing, but it does overlap all of this stuff. This one's really good, but yeah, again, a video would be really good, so upload that to YouTube and embed that on here. Steps to win: enter your name and email, confirm your email address, collect bonus points by completing tasks, unlock rewards, share with friends. Perfect. These prizes look really good. This is great. I would say weekly winner instead of here. So weekly winner gets 24-inch, blah, blah, blah. And then you've got your 10% off, 250 points. Perfect. 15% off. Perfect. So this is a great way for you to generate, one, the social follower, the email list, and then also collect some revenue, direct revenue from these if they don't win. And remember, people can get drawn every single week. So even if they enter on the first week of the month, they could still win like the fourth week of the month. And you could even do this monthly if you wanted to, if weekly was too frequent. Depends on your traffic that you're driving to this page. So this is great. So sign up form. Okay, let's put our email in here. Now, this is a lot of security for this type of product. You don't necessarily have to have the checkboxes here and also the bot captures. I would start without having these. And if you are finding that bots are entering your contest, which probably for your niche is quite a low chance, then you should add that in. But at the moment, you're just adding extra steps here for someone who's entering that you don't necessarily need to. So I would probably get rid of the the bot capture here, and unless you're in Europe, you probably don't have to have the GDPR checkbox, and you could probably put most of your conditions under the terms and conditions if you're in America. And that would just streamline this sign up process and make it a lot easier. So once they're in, thank you for signing up. I would say thank you for signing up for our weekly giveaway. Complete the actions below to increase your chance of winning this week. Winners drawn on Wednesday, every Wednesday at 2 p.m. Just remind them on this page, because when people come back to your giveaway page, they will automatically be logged into their account. So just remember to remind them when the winners are drawn. Of course, you can email these people and all that sort of stuff and post on your socials that you're drawing winners, but that's just a good reminder in there. Okay, so let's check out what your bonus actions are. So to collect points in this giveaway, you've got like us on Facebook, leave love on this post and share. I would just say share this Facebook post, make it simple. Join our Facebook group, great. Follow us on Instagram, great. I would use probably a few more Instagram ones. So on here, I would probably make it post a location of your sign, or post where you want to upload. Post where you want to hang your custom sign, or something like that. Get them to upload images or videos to Instagram and tag you in it. So this way, when they submit that, they'll put in their Instagram URL handle. Sorry, they'll put in their Instagram handle, and then Viper will go and scrape their Instagram profile to make sure that they used your hashtag in order to get those points. So that's a really good way to create a lot of user-generated content and also create a lot of social buzz and awareness around your brand. Subscribe to our YouTube, upload this YouTube video, follow us, share the giveaway. Okay, yeah, that's a good one. Retweet, I really like the retweet one, that's perfect. Even this is a good video, I think. Let's take a look at this. That's hilarious. That's really funny. Yeah, so engaging content like this is great. Yeah, so good job on that one. Follow us on Pinterest. You might also want to put some more repin ones or follow this board, that sort of thing. And you've got the reminder of the rewards down here, perfect. So yeah, those are the main pieces of feedback. Apart from that though, this is a great looking weekly giveaway. Lots of value provided to the users. The main thing is you want to get people sharing your giveaway as much as possible on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. I noticed you don't have a huge amount of Pinterest here, but the images that you have seem to be Pinterest ready. So I would definitely leverage Pinterest as much as you can, because I think this product would do really well on Pinterest because it's a lot of home decor. So let us know if you've got any other questions about this, but yeah, it looks great.